The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Wagwan sports fans, welcome back to another episode. I'm your host Joe Mara,
I'm Rush.
and this is this or that Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most interesting and riveting sports topics, discussions, and debates on the internet.
Yes, Steve, but before we get into today's video, don't forget to like this one. Leave a comment and subscribe to this or that Sports TV, please. Do one more thing for us, though.
Share the video to at least 10 people, but ensure to get to 6 subscribers, because if each and every one of you guys can manage to do that, you know how many subscribers that will get us by the end of the day, people.
Well, I will leave. So Jamaica, played their first game in the 2022 edition of the Gold Cup. Underwhelming for some, promising for some, but nevertheless we're on the way. We play our second game on Wednesday against Trinidad and Tobago, and we're here to do our official match preview. So let's get right into it. Bro, how do you feel about Reggae Boys going into this second game, of our Gold Cup campaign? How do you feel about it?
Excited. That's always an adjective that can be used to describe me whenever coming up on Reggae Boys football. I'm always excited whenever the Reggae Boys are going to play. That's my thing. It's the days are completely dedicated to Reggae Boys football. From the morning we wake up all the way till the final. It's all about them.
I left it did vex last game.
Yeah, it's just excited to see them play regardless of the last result. So I'm excited, optimistic, because I think we should be able to get a result. But I've been saying this for the past
Couple of games
3,
now.
4, 5, 6 games, like, oh, we should go out and get a result easily. And I've always been proven wrong, unfortunately. But I do think that this Trinidad game is a game that we should be able to go out and get a good result and to beat them, not bash them by any means, but to beat them comfortably. And I'm optimistic. Hopefully we can play some good football. We can improve upon whatever it was that was positives, the few positives in my opinion, that were on show the last game. We can build on that and hopefully take it into the Trinidad game and put on a formidable performance.
Yeah, I'm on the same side as you. I am also optimistic. Maybe in the American game I was cautiously optimistic. No, I'm just full on optimistic. I have no qualms about the game that we're supposed to play. I don't think this Reggae Boy team can and will lose this game. I'm a bit more confident than I would have been going into the American game for a numerous amount of reasons. Bro, and the Jamaican support, go. The last game, every time the Reggae Boys play, if Reggae Boys not win, are the worst team God ever make. You get me? I say on social media. So me I try not to get swayed too much. Me I try not to indulge in all of the criticism when I see, because I want to keep my opinion, just that, my opinion and someone else's. And I feel like this Reggae Boys team, I saw, as I said in the last video, I saw, areas where we can improve on, but I also saw areas where we can definitely, be a bit more consistent with, and that will bring better performances. So in this Trinidad and Tobago game, I think it presents an opportunity for us to, express ourselves against them, and right the wrongs that took place in Jamaica a couple months ago. I think in March. We need to correct that and make Trinidad and Tobago know say big man and boy. You get me? I say, a little rivalry, did it? Them a little Caribbean, rivalry where I go. And I feel like say them probably feel themselves a little bit, and this is the opportunity with Jamaica, and I feel like when people say favorites now, I kinda understand it. Mexico with a weekend team, America with a weekend team, and Canada with a weekend team. Why not? And may I see some upset still? Come say Martinique just beat I think El Salvador a while ago. I never expect that.
Haiti beat Qatar.
I never expect that either. So we can't leave ourselves susceptible to an upset from Trinidad and Tobago, but I think it presents the opportunity to right the wrongs. How you feel Trinidad has approached this game, knowing that the last time they played us, that was more of a C team.
Yeah, Trinidad will be more cautious. Obviously, they will be more attentive to the front line that we possess. But I do think they will have a confidence about them, especially considering that they dispatched St. Kitts on terrible conditions in Fort Lauderdale. What were you saying?
Yeah. Would you change the tactics for this Trinidad and Tobago game?
No. Continuity and consistency is something that is important to building a good team, and I think we just continue to rock with what we have
Yep.
and to work on what we're going to be playing the majority of the time. Stick with a system, get comfortable with it, get familiar with it, allow the players to get comfortable with their roles, and rock like that.
Yeah, and I think this is the way Jamaica should play. You know, a bit more expressive. Don't be stupid because you pointed out to me the other day that almost every time we pressed high and tried to employ the press, it didn't work every time.
Yeah.
Sometimes they beat the press, and whenever they beat the press, it's almost like we
Turn over the ball.
turn over the
They're
ball.
in position.
It's almost like they
Every
got
time
in
they get
dangerous
the chance,
positions.
every single time.
Yeah, but I do think that Jamaica should be expressive. I do think that we should, try to take advantage of the pace and the skill and the power that we have up front. But at the same time, and this kind of speaks to the weak midfield that we have, because once the press doesn't work or once we turn over the ball, our midfield resistance is not as strong as I want it to be. But I still believe, argument say, especially against the Trinidad and Tobago team, if your press can work against America in parts, now expect us to bombard the Trinidad and Tobago midfield and defense line and win the ball high up the pitch and get some goals from turnovers. Hopefully we can touch them. I don't expect us to touch them, but what the Jamaican fans need right now and the Jamaican camp, we need some confidence. And if we can go and put 4 past Trinidad and Tobago, I feel like that would give us some. All right, so starting lineup. You change anything for this game? You switch around any players, you put anybody forward, and where do with this team? Who you switch out to? Amari Bell maybe struggling with an injury, we're not sure. How you line up against Trinidad and Tobago?
Yeah, I would have dropped maps.
I
would have dropped maps and I would have pulled back Latiba there and start Russell and Lambert. Twin Tower.
You think about Liam Bailey? Drop Liam Bailey?
No.
Then go again with Liam Bailey.
Of course.
Straight up. So I'm going to change the team still. I'm going to change the team for continuity sake. I'm going to think Trinidad will go pose the same threat. 2 back line as USA did. I don't think Mariapa will, be open to being exposed or anything. I feel okay with Mariapa and Damian Lowe in this game. Maybe in the later rounds. I pray Ethan Pinnock coming by quarter-final, semi-final time. We're going to need that, But against this Trinidad team and then against the St. Kitts team, if I'm up just to keep it together, and plus, I need to see a game of Udo can see, bro. So if I just for that to keep it together, to make sure it's familiarity and whatever. If I just that.
You think we see Ethan Pinnock for this tournament?
It's hard for some to see Ethan Pinnock for this tournament.
Yeah, so we need to stop thinking about Ethan.
No, but them say day by day.
Yeah, we need to stop thinking about Ethan Pinnock right now.
Well, if the coach come out and say him just confidence him now come, then fine. But if he must say you judge it day by day, he can come in for the second round.
Or not. And then if he come in for the second round and we have something.
Ethan Pinnock go straight in, man. Because, bro, we're going to play St. Kitts and Trinidad today. If we beat them like how we're supposed to beat them, Ethan Pinnock come. Still put in Ethan Pinnock if we play Mexico or whoever else. And I feel like those 4 players, Gray, Bailey, Antonio, and Bobby Reed, stay together. Figure it out. Figure it out. The midfield, I'm thinking about the midfield, maybe introducing a Daniel Johnson because it will be a weaker team. It's not going to be America. Introduce somebody a bit more creative, just because I think we're going to have more of the ball than we did in the America game. So that is kind of tempting. But like the press from Lambert, Gilati here next chance. I don't think we change that. I think we just go again and hope that it come together a bit better. Hope that the weakened opponent give us an opportunity to see how we want to play some football. So mood change it. Mood even drop maps. Let's just keep it same for the same. I want to see some subs though. I want to see Chamanicals to come out earlier. I want to see Chamanicals to get a run.
We have 5 substitutions.
Who are some player where you want to see another game?
Dejan Richards, Kaim Paris, Shamar Nicholson, Dejan Richards, Kaim Paris, Shamar Nicholson. I guess maybe Daniel Johnston again.
Yeah.
4 players when you don't want to see.
Yeah, I really look forward to Shaman. I want to see Shaman Nichols to get back him shooting boots, and I want to see Shaman Nichols to push the forward them. So if he can come on at a 78 minute and back a goal or something, I'd love to see that. Just to put light some fire under the attackers. Right now, I don't feel like much competition there for them front. So I want to see some competition. I wouldn't mind a Kaim Paris or a Dujan Richards or a Corberg come on and score a goal, brother. Put some pressure upon some of the starters and make we get the competition in the team going. You see me? So yeah, more see we put away Trinidad. You know, in the first half, score 2 goals. Now go in the second half and express yourself a bit and make we can see some substitution. Trinidad could be a bit better than I expect them to be. They could turn up and 1-0 them. You know, Jamaica is famous for that. 1-0 when they're supposed to 4-0. And them can. I think we can lose a game. Yeah.
100% believe that there's a chance that we can lose.
There's a chance that anything can happen.
No, there's not a chance that anything.
There's a chance that we can lose or win any game. It happens. But
I guarantee you're not losing against St. Kitts. Zero chance.
I'm not say we lose against Trinidad and Tobago. I'm not see it. I think just the quality of it too much. Even if we don't play, you know, the great football we expect to play, I just think somebody will pop up with a goal or pop up with a set piece. So, and then we feel like say we have a Damian Lowe's, Amari Bell, we have a with Andre Blake, we have a Lembeke. We have enough around the back.
So we have
to be individually good.
You know, like how we have the Michael Antonios and the Raven Morrisons and Andre Blakes and Ethan Pinnox against Panama.
Panama isn't Trinidad.
In the National Stadium.
Trinidad isn't Panama.
But
and this is far from that.
Well,
that's 9 people that never played together before. You get me? I say so. Me no see a world where Trinidad need to know. Me see a world where them put up some resistance. Me see a world where them you know be good and
let
you know.
it be said if the results sway and we drop points or lose, me there not super completely sold like how I was against the Jordan team. Sure that we wouldn't lose to Jordan. In fact, I said it was an impossibility that we'd lose to Jordan. I've been here before.
Yeah,
seen it all.
Technically it's possible, but
I see it all.
In
my opinion, more than technical. You know, like how I can say technically St. Kitts can beat me, but it's not going to happen. St. Kitts won't beat us.
Trinidad won't beat us.
Well,
Trinidad won't beat us.
Make
I just look.
We can move on to match predictions.
Yeah. We can't go result. Don't expect this game to finish.
1-1 draw.
Reggae boys are beat you, boy.
Yeah, I see this finishing a 1-1 draw. Another lackluster, underwhelming performance. Another soft goal given up.
Hold on. Trinidad and Tobago. Well, Jamaica versus Trinidad and Tobago. Wednesday. In Missouri. You expect to give a finish?
1-1 draw.
Yeah, joke.
Set piece goal.
Yeah, joke.
No, dead ass. That's my prediction.
Carry on.
1-1 draw, and then I believe that we'll get the first 3 points against St. Kitts at the end of the zone. Yeah, I just believe we'll go out there, not get it together, have more space than we know what to do with, and not look like how we expect to look. I expect to be frustrated for the whole game. So as I was saying, I expect a lackluster performance. You know, I expect Hallgrims not to apply pressure.
Put something on it.
Put what?
Put something on it.
As in, I'm hoping to be proven incorrect. You think someone want Jamaica drop points?
No, I don't want Jamaica.
I want to be wrong. So why make a gamble?
But I think it's so sure that you're going to be wrong.
Good move. What me wrong?
2-0 Jamaica. Clean sheet. 2-goal margin. Good at that. I can't see that happen.
I said I hope I'm incorrect.
You're wrong, man.
I hope them shame me.
You're wrong, man. You're wrong, man. Me I tell you say you're wrong.
I hope so, bro.
Is it me? Tell you say you're wrong.
And the worst thing, if it happen, I can't come on the show and say I told you so.
Yeah, you can't come and say it.
No.
You didn't tell me.
Bro, if matter of fact, if my result come to fruition, me nah do no show.
Of course you do a show.
You are gonna do the show, me nah do no show.
Talk here. The show I do.
I mean, I said the show I gotta do.
The show I do, bro. And you're gonna write us and sit down and put up on your face. So talk about.
I
didn't know.
Yeah, bro.
Clairvoyance, this clairvoyance, that.
Me no want to come and say me did know, even though me did know. People, if my prediction come to fruition, me nah do the next time I nah see me after we beat St. Kitts 3-0 and qualify second.
Anyways, good thing we don't have to see that because the Reggae boys will beat Trinidad and Tobago on Wednesday. Get our Gold Cup campaign going. Yeah. Now is the time. Now is the hour.
Man, I feel optimistic.
You literally start the show, so you feel optimistic. I got the start when you say optimistic, and got the end when you say I'm optimistic. Which one? Pick one, bro.
Eh?
You're optimistic or not optimistic?
I said, my happy say reggae boys are playing. I'm
You
excited.
said it optimistic while ago.
I changed my mind.
The video didn't even, the video even record for an hour. You change your mind already, my boy.
Yeah.
Damn. Man, just say I'm optimistic, I'm not optimistic. Bro, them are give some optimism. Trust me.
Make us see.
We're going to win the game. I would not going to look awful either. We're not going to look awful. Maybe they just make a penalty. Maybe this at the moment. I want to get the next penalty. I want Liam Bailey step up. I want Liam Bailey score it.
We never just talk about the penalty situation.
And what?
And we did come to the conclusion say now gonna be chippy.
No. We never come to that conclusion there.
Me did come to that.
That's a year conclusion. Yeah, he's not the said guy. You see me? If Liam Bailey a penalty kick up, I say if it is a case where Liam Bailey is a penalty taker, the next one Liam Bailey come again. You see me? If that's the case. If not, then I'll give him. But yeah.
Everybody need to get on board. You know, REGGAE still needs to get into this team. We're still missing our best central defender, in my opinion. I still think Hargrimson needs a bit more time with this squad to get them firing on all cylinders. So I do expect inconsistency. I do expect football to be played in patches. But as I said, we have the talent and we have the tools to overwhelm this Trinidad and Tobago team. So we definitely should be able to come out with a result.
Yeah.
In all seriousness.
Yeah, man, I expect us to. I really expect us to. I predict a 2-0 win. I expect Trinidad to be in the game, though. I don't expect us to just roll over. I don't expect them to roll over, and I don't expect us to steamroll them. Anyway, but we can say a 2 win. We can say a 2-0 win. We can say Jamaica play some good football. I also can say Trinidad and Tobago put up some resistance. We can say all of that happen in our Wednesday's game.
So
Okay?
I expect inconsistency, but we should overwhelm them. In all seriousness.
I could see. Hopefully you don't have to come say I told you so. But yeah, we that people. If you like the video, let us know how is this game going to finish? You know, tomorrow, when the Reggae boys step on the pitch, when 90 minutes has elapsed, what will the score be? I think I'm gonna see a 1-1. like this man over here, so I think the people are gonna rally behind the Reggae boys and cheer them on. So I could see, bro. Missouri, if you're touching right now still. Today night, St. Louis, I know still going easy. I make some content until the Wednesday touch, you know. But in time, people, in time. And, you know, to ensure that we can do that at the next Gold Cup. Like the video. Leave a comment and subscribe to this channel. Sports TV. Is it? And one more thing first, though.
Share the video to at least 10 people. Then ensure to get us 6 subscribers. Because if each and every one of you guys can manage to do that, you know how many subscribers that get us by the end of the day, people?
A whole heap. But for now, this was this or that Sports TV. Out.